and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have a smoothie recipe for you guys. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So summer is here. It is so nice out. It's ridiculous. And I definitely want to do like a smoothie and a like ice pop series on my channel. So I think I'm going to start with the smoothies. For today's video, we're going to be doing kind of like a strawberry banana acai smoothie. It's going to be really, really good. And I love these recipes because I know a lot of the recipes that I make are really super simple and easy, but these are so simple and easy. You just put everything into a blender and let the blender do its job, and that's literally it. And we can put so many different things in there. There's so many different options for smoothies. Good, bad, otherwise. You can do vegan ones, you can do vegetable ones, fruit ones, whatever you want. I'm going to give you a hint. I'm going to be doing like a pina colada one too sometime soon. But today we have like strawberry banana acai. It's going to be really, really good. So all you're going to need is some frozen strawberries, a banana. We have our almond milk. That's why it's vegan. And we have our acai powder. Now you can use the powder or you can use, like I made in the like Frutta pliables, the frozen chunks. You can totally do that. Just some ice and protein powder. Now you can use whatever protein powder that you want. I think vanilla here would work best, so that's what I have. Now this is going to be the simplest thing ever. We're just going to go ahead and take our little NutriBullet thingy and just start adding the ingredients in. So you can just add in our ice. I'm probably going to add in maybe like a cup of strawberries. You can mess around with this till you get the consistency that you guys want, but we'll probably do like a cup of strawberries. It was like a kid in the candy store earlier today. I was going through all the different frozen aisles and finding a bunch of different fruit and then getting, you know, more and more ideas of what kind of smoothies that I want to make. Now, I put a Vitamix on my registry and my cousin had got it for me, but I have gifts galore in the basement right now and I would love to use it, but I'm not going to really have anywhere to put it right now if I go and take everything out of the boxes, but I wish I could use that right now. But this will do to make just like a nice serving. So I'm going to add our strawberry in. We have our ice. Add a banana. Now, as always, the browner that your banana is, the sweeter it's going to be. You don't need to really cut this up perfectly and do anything. I'm just going to kind of do this. Then we're going to add about a cup of your milk. You can use whatever kind of milk that you want. I'm using almond milk here. This is just the original almond milk. I don't have the vanilla one, but we have vanilla protein powder, so it's completely fine. I'm going to go ahead and add that. We definitely need to break down some of like the frozenness going on here. And then I'm going to add, let's say like a tablespoon of this acai powder. If you use the frozen packs, it's obviously going to be another thing that's like frozen, so you might want to, you know, mess around with it and add a little bit more, you know, of your milk or something like that to kind of thin it out a bit. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of that and then a scoop of our protein powder. That's literally it. So I'm just going to go ahead, put this bad boy on top. And we're going to get to mixing, but I need to get this stuff out of the way before I have an aneurysm. Alright, let's see how this goes. How easy and simple was that, you guys? Now, if you want, you can go ahead and add a sweetener here. You can add stevia, you can add your monk fruit sweetener, you can add honey, whatever you want, but I don't really think that that's necessary. I mean, you're getting your sugar and your sweetness from your bananas, from your strawberries, from all that good stuff, but it's totally up to you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this to another cup and make it look all pretty, and then I'll be right back so we can try some. Alright guys, look at the color of this. Looks so good. The acai powder is definitely very potent, so it made this the nice purpley color, but I can't wait to try this. So I just have my little smoothie straw here. Oh, that is so good, you guys. Oh my god. So good. You can taste everything here all in one shot. I definitely taste the strawberry banana, but then you have the acai, and I can actually taste the vanilla protein powder pretty strongly. I don't taste too much of the almond in it, but it has like a little hint, like an aftertaste of something a little bit nutty, but this is really good, super smooth. So this is definitely a more creamy type of consistency in a smoothie if that's something that you prefer. It's not very icy if that's something else that you prefer. If you would rather something more icy, I would add more ice, or maybe freeze your bananas or use the frozen acai to get it like thicker and more frozen like that. But this is so good. Super simple and easy to make. You saw that took literally 2 seconds. And what's cool too is, you know how they have the frozen smoothie packs and stuff like that in the stores? I mean, they're kind of expensive if you buy them like that, but I mean, why not just take these, use a little Ziploc baggie or something, fill those up, label them, and then put them right in the freezer. And then whenever you're ready to make like a smoothie or something like that, you can just blend that up, but you already put all the ingredients together. I mean, that's another way you can do it, but this is simple and easy regardless. So that's more if you like to meal prep or prep your foods beforehand, or just grab something and go. But I loved this. I can't wait to make more. I think I'm gonna, like I said, make a whole series of these, all different kinds. But definitely let me know in the comments section below what you guys think about that, or if there's any smoothie recipes that you want me to try. Believe me, I'm all ears. I'm open to anything. I found a million different recipes, like I said, from pina colada to strawberry banana acai to, you know, all green smoothies. The options are endless. This is super easy to just make a nice little snack during the day, a nice protein shake, but having all those other ingredients, it's not just milk in your powder like every guy in the world does. Like, you can totally add in your fruits, veggies, spinach, whatever you want to like oomph it up a little bit. Super delicious, super easy, great for breakfast, for post-workout, super awesome. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with anybody who loves smoothies, or any guy that makes protein shakes. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.